Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are learning how to create mini charts in Excel using Sparklines. These tiny charts are perfect for visualizing trends in your data without taking up much space. Let's start. Here we have a data range containing months, revenue, expense, and profit and loss columns. Now select Data, go to the Insert tab, then choose a Line Sparkline, select the location, hit OK. Copy sparklines to right side using fill handle. Now change sparkline type for expense and profit and loss column. If we change the type, it will affect others. So to avoid this, first ungroup the sparklines. Now select column sparkline for expense and select win loss sparkline for profit loss. Select the sparklines and show all points by checking the boxes: high point, low point, negative points, first point, last point, then markers. Select a suitable style. We will select this one. Now we will show axis. We can also change color individually. Let's analyze it horizontally now. Select the data range, X revenue, expense, profit, loss. Now insert the column sparkline here. Add location. Hit OK and it's done. Copy it down. Show negative point in different color. Change the style. And it's done. So sparklines are incredibly versatile and can be used in almost any scenario where you need to show trends. Sparklines can be useful to visualize sales trends, stock prices, survey results, and much more. Thank you.